Yeah, yeah, guys, I'm back again. I'm back again this week. I'm back again. Watch out my trade, like I entered the trade. Actually, I want to show you guys my confluences. You can see the moving averages, the exponential moving averages. The red one is the 20, while the blue one is the 40. Yeah, that's my strategy. So I don't know, maybe you guys can capitalize on it. So actually it's not just that. See how I entered the market. As you can see down here, let me use these arrows so that you guys understand what I'm saying. Yeah, that's the shoulder, this is the 8, and this is the shoulder. Get what I'm saying? Like, kind of inverse 8 and shoulder. This is the 8 shoulder. And I place my trade here. After the candle started forming above the moving averages, I entered the trade. So guys, that's how it's going. That's how it's going. That's how it's going. That's how it's going. So don't get me wrong. You have to, whenever you enter a trade, you have to place your stop loss. No matter how big you are in this forex market, you can't, like, you need to keep your pride aside, man. This thing is not for the weak. See, I've marked my TP now. Look at my TP there. So that's how it's going. That's how it is, guys. Enjoy.